What makes Belhaven such a great place for students to learn is that it is a small campus. It's a very tight-knit community. Students start their freshman year together and they get to know each other and they get to study together and they get to kind of grow up together from their freshman to their senior year. What I enjoy teaching most at Belhaven is the interactions with the students. One of the favorite times of the year is advising, getting to know students on a one-on-one level and kind of helping them progress as they start out as freshmen, maybe not knowing what they want to do, maybe have an idea, and then watching that either grow or change as they get to their senior year, and then helping them out with what the next level brings.
I love the professors at Belhaven. They are always supportive and always there to help, and honestly I can even just joke around and goof with them. I mean, they're great people. I love them.
So one of the ways that we integrate the Christian faith into the sciences is a lot of it is through teaching stewardship. How do we take care of this planet that God gave us? Upon earning their degree in chemistry from Belhaven, students can go into a very wide range of next step, whether it's graduate school, medical school, pharmacy school, dental school, but they can also go straight into a job. They can work in industries such as chemical companies, they can go into pharmaceutical sales, they can also go into research at different academic institutions. So there's a job for every personality. So the chemistry department here at Belhaven has a lot of different equipment that most small schools and some bigger schools don't have. That allows students to get hands-on experience that most students don't get until they reach graduate school. While students are still at Belhaven, we have the American Chemical Society student chapter that allows an actual global network that they can plug into. We take them to national meetings. We took them to New Orleans to the national meeting this past year. We plug them into research opportunities. We can also plug them into different summer opportunities that aren't necessarily unpaid internships, but they actually get paid to do research at other bigger institutions all around the Southeast.
Belhaven, for one, helps you get extremely personal when it comes to your degree. You're able to talk with people that are honestly excited about what they're doing and professors that are excited about what they're doing. And also chemistry is the coolest degree out there because you basically get to be a wizard. Like, that's what you're training to do, is to do our world's form of magic. It's fantastic.
Students who come to Belhaven have a unique opportunity to get an education under a Christian worldview, and they get to interact one-on-one with their professors, whether they want to talk about their grades, talk about the class they were just in, talk about life, or talk about what their next step is.